A very big congratulations to Destiny Etiko as she tried to tie the knot. Guys, yeah, this is so beautiful. This is amazing, guys. It was wow. And you guys want to know who he's getting married to? This is her traditional marriage, and this person is an actor as well. When the actor and the actress meet together, what did you expect? It's gonna be bomb. You're expecting like wow, yeah. So they are here, and this video has been going viral. That Destiny Etiko has been married. This is our traditional marriage, and if you want to know if that is true, just continue watching this video while I will be right back. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl in the building, you and to me there. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification bell. By so doing that, to help you get notified each time I drop a new video. Guys, in case you're wondering what I do, I bring to you entertainment, celebrity gist, rewind and twist. Yes, and most importantly, Frederick Leonard update. Know that he's a private person, but then in as much as I can get a little information, I will let his fans to know about it. But right now, Frederick Leonard appreciates what is happening because Destiny Etiko and Meg they're out of the market. Guys, they're out of the market. They shock you. Don't let it shock you, because when it happens, like Destiny Etiko marriage will be wow. As in, maybe looking at this video, get into your head that it will be wow. It will be like, it will be a lifestyle something, okay? And right now they are in the movie set, which at the end of the day, marriage scattered. But when Frederick Leonard go into the comment section, he now say love. That is when you know the movie and that man get into that movie and see it, and he saw that you are doing it well. The man will blow your comment section. Frederick Leonard went to Destiny Etiko and said, love, you really try. And I said, let me bring it to you guys, most importantly, because you guys might be confused. Is it true that Destiny Etiko is married to Mike Milton? No, he's not a married.
So this is me. I'm on the set of Ona's Movies production, and this is Akudo.
Aww.
Akudo. You like my hair?
Yes.
You like listen?
Yes.
You like
My
director, my one and only artist, Laliana, my James. You wanna go? So let's do another. Yes. You don't know. I knew good. The land of my back.
Yes.
You know they shake again. It doesn't shake anymore.
No, it shakes.
My baby said I shouldn't be shaking my bum bum anymore. So it is now.
Okay, we're going to relationship. Why you working outside?
We are outside.
Oh, relationship again. Other Joe. So come and say hi to my camera. Is it finished? This is the man. The man of the hour. Who there? Let's shoot this film. Started by director.
Let's go.
So what is your I have to put my hand. You put a him.
Hey, from London to Turkey, hang on. Hey, Mama Mojo Polokata Jesse show hang on. Hey, where you win, hang on for Gomena, Wabega, hang on for hang on for Gomena, Wabega, hang on.